Waterfalls.
There's gonna be some cliff jumping.
And I might jump from the 5 meter.
And I might jump from the 10. And I'm gonna go for the 15-meter cliff jump. Woo-hoo!
I'm gonna try this slide.
Let's go! That's right. But first, let me show you where we stayed at. This is Baliana Bungalow in Lovina. And when we got to this wonderful little town, we immediately got a good feeling from the calm and relaxed atmosphere. We were super lucky to be able to rent this brand new villa for 3 weeks, and the construction workers were literally finishing up just as we arrived. So these are the builders literally pulling out of the driveway, just finishing our new villa. And Kitut took us. Yeah, we went shopping, we got water, we got eggs, we got a good mood, we got veggies.
There's literally a market in here.
Are we ready to move in?
Yeah, and that's a Ferrari.
Here's a little peek. Oh yeah. First peek, look at this. Woohoo! We just moved into a new place for the next 3 weeks and it is great. Have a look at this. Shower, bungalows, kitchens over there. Got a nice view and
Private pool!
yeah!
Woo!
Yes, we were going to be all right in this place. Let's have a proper look at it. We heard there was a really nice waterfall we could visit not far from Lovina, and we jumped on our bikes to check it out.
And we're on the go! Again! Doing good? Whoop! There's tons of street dogs everywhere. Right now we're driving through a cool part. So I'll change around the camera.
We made it!
Yeah.
Ooh, we made it!
And Kadek was here waiting for us. How was the trip?
It was a long drive.
Minutes, I think.
50?
Yeah.
Wow.
It was fun though. No, this seat is so hard.
This seat is very hard.
I
Yeah.
saw a dog. It barked at me and I barked at him.
It's gonna be refreshing to have a walk now.
What do you think about the drive, like the scenery? It was beautiful, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was so nice.
Really nice. I think that's just a taste of what we're gonna see.
Yep.
Alright, let's find Kadek and let's get moving.
Yeah.
Alright, already signed in. So we're gonna go and do the medium trek.
That's gonna be me.
Yeah?
And that's also gonna be me. And I'm gonna be right there.
Nice. And we're gonna have a look at this place. Nice, Silva. What do you think about this?
It's far down.
Yeah, that's far down. It's like a proper valley, just like home. So let me introduce you to our guides, Kadek.
Kadek.
Yeah.
In Aling Aling Waterfall. Nice to see you guys.
Yeah. You're gonna tell us everything, right?
Yes, I will tell everything about Aling Aling Waterfall for now, and then show what we have in here.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do on this medium tour?
Medium track, we have the best place in here. We call Blue Lagoon. You can, it's like a big pool and swing and like a cave inside over there. It's really nice there. And then jump.
Oh
5,
yeah.
10, and 15 meters. And also we have 5 or 6 meters slide and 12 meters slide. We have that's natural slide, guys.
Cool. So you think you're gonna jump?
Yeah. I'm
Ylva?
not gonna jump, no.
You're gonna do the slide?
Yeah.
Sliding
Nice.
is really nice, really.
Yes, I've seen videos. I've not.
Let's check it out.
Never know.
Never try, never know.
That's the ocean. This place you wanna see around here. Maybe like
So on this waterfall, Kadek told me that Red Bull was planning to have the diving competition. But that was just before Corona, right?
Yes, and in 2019, in May, they prepare everything already in here.
Can you imagine having that competition here? That looks beautiful.
Imagine getting paid from jumping here.
Yeah.
You don't even have to pay. That'd be funny.
They don't have to pay, but the organization pay.
Yeah.
And after this, we will going up there and walk and go to the top of this waterfall. See the Blue Lagoon. Because the Blue Lagoon is the top.
Ah, nice. What do you think?
Hope we get enough adrenaline so I don't feel so cold when I'm jumping.
You think it was cold?
Yeah, it was kind of cold to be Bali at least.
Wow.
It's like the water in Norway in the summer.
Right.
So raining now. If you want to try this,
Oh,
the fruit,
that's jackfruit. I
That's
never tried that
jackfruit.
before. It was really good. We just got to the Blue Lagoon and it started to rain. But
Yeah.
one cool thing about Bali is that these little huts like this
Everywhere.
are everywhere. So you always have a little bit of roof if it starts to rain. And hopefully it's not so long.
I just got into
It was
the
good,
rain.
right?
Yeah, really good. Yeah.
Wow.
I just got into That's so cool.
Good job. Kadek!
Come on, Kadek, you can do it!
Nice.
Ylva, do you want to jump from that one? No.
I'm not gonna jump. The small one's kind of there.
You can do like sit down, open your arm. Yes, you like keep your balance. If you want to lay down, you just do lay down.
The big one, you can.
Yes.
That works, but I'm shaking.
This looks cool, Ylva.
I don't know.
This looks nice.
Yes, but I don't know why I'm shaking.
back like me. Look at that.
I'm shaking.
Okay, Alex, let's go.
Open your arm. Go.
Go.
And from the water slide over to the one of the diving spots or jumping spots. And how high is this?
5 meters. 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo! Yeah, that's my boy!
How many times did you jump?
6?
6 times. Did you like it?
6, 7 times. Yes.
What was most fun, the jumping or the swing? Jumping. What's your favorite?
Swing.
Swing.
Yes.
Ylva, what was your favorite?
Slide.
Slide.
Of
Nice.
course.
Yeah. And now, after jumping, it's nice to have a coconut.
I don't like coconuts, so I mean, I'll get soda.
But I love young coconuts, as they call it.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a lot of coconut water.
Lot.
Oh,
Bravo.
Took some on. So nice.
it looks
Yeah.
like normal water.
Chop, chop, chop.
Oh,
6 more.
Okay. Mom, did I give the money?
Oh, let me try.
Not including already.
Tastes like chips.
Yeah. Yes, cheap.
but really big one. Oh, Bob was over there buying more breadfruit chips. That was so good. Then I finished my coconut. Also coconut chips. Nice.
I thought the rope swing was fun until I jumped from the bike.
Yeah.
So the reason how I did it is I just didn't think. I just emptied my mind and went caveman mode, something like that, and just went for it and jumped. That's what I did. So thing is, never go on the edge and look down.
Yeah.
Go straight for it.
That's what I did.
That's
You'll
what
be
you
surprised.
did. Yeah.
You'll be surprised by how far down it actually is.
Can you open
What
this
about the
one?
slide?
Yeah, it was so fun.
Oh my
And he was
goodness.
like,
Was
at
that
the same,
good?
This
Coconut
tastes
chips?
like cake. It tastes like cake.
I'm still not eating it.
You're crazy.
What?
Fried? Deep fried coconut.
Oh my god, that's good.
My goodness.
So what are you seeing here?
Rice.
Rice. So this is
Yes,
Kadek.
it's rice.
Is this very young?
Yes, it's already maybe 2 or 3 weeks for this one.
2 or 3 weeks.
Yeah. For there's a lot of process for the rice. Like you must to wait. It's really long also, and lots of water for rice. We must keep water like this maybe around 3 or 4 months.
And then after that, is it
After
okay
that-
if it dries?
Yes. After that, we must to dry. So many things for the rice to get good rice. We have 2 kind of rice in Bali.
Okay.
Like 6 months until harvest and 3 months until harvest. For 3
Okay.
months, we only selling to import the something.
Right.
For 6 months, we just selling in this area.
Okay.
Oh.
It's a special one.
You get the
Is-
best
Just
rice
more
yourself?
big rice,
Okay.
more bigger. And we must be changed also for 1 or 2 years. We can't to put rice all year.
Oh yeah, you have to put
Yes.
wheat or something.
Yes.
All right, we're
Alright,
back.
we're back already.
Nice.
And I want to know also your the name of your channel YouTube, okay?
Yeah, of course.
You haven't.
You have one also?
No, I don't have channel YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get
Oh
our-
wow, well done.
Oh my goodness.
We finished and raining.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you so much for showing us. That was great,
Hope
man.
you're enjoying for this.
We
tour.
enjoyed it a lot.
Very, very glad
I had
to.
a great time also with you.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm very happy that we got
we-
you as our guide.
Yeah, I'm glad I asked Rocky yesterday. He told me I have a friend there who's really good with language and he's a good guy. So,
Not really good, but yeah, just
Yeah.
learning in here.
oh. Babu, you look so cool.
I don't believe it.
I feel so stupid.
Everybody looks cool. Yay!
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
In Bali.
Yeah,
And see you next time.
will do, will do. Okay, bye bye.
Oh, we're so wet. It sucks. Oh, this is so rainy. Poor Kadek. I feel so bad for him.
Yep, it sure was rainy season. We had an appointment back in Lovina to have a massage, and we were probably going to arrive totally drenched. Have a look at how rainy it was.
There is currently a river in the road.
Yeah, look.
What the heck is this? Oh my goodness, look at all this water, it's so sick! Yo-yo fried chicken! What's up?
This is crazy.
I know! Okay, we're arriving at the spot. stopped raining and
Whew, we made it. That was intense, dude.
my shorts is soaking wet. Or the bed.
Whew. How you doing, girls? We're doing good. Oh no.
Nice.
Oh, we are wet.
Are you? I thought you had raincoats on.
Ooh, I've never been so wet inside my eyes, kind of.
I probably drank like a half a liter of water on this trip.
I was wondering why the roads were so bad over at the rice terraces, but now I understand. It rains like that every day.
The road turns into a river.
Yeah.
So is this our girls?
Yep.
Hello. Okay, let's get a massage. Let's get a massage, man. That's gonna be nice now.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, thanks for watching everyone, and check out our other videos from our 8 months adventure in this playlist. And if you want to see our house in Norway where we live, you can watch this video. See you in Lovina, Bali for the next one.